how to merge two WhatsApp accounts. So if you want to merge two WhatsApp account chats, then what you need to do is just watch this video. So you just need simply have one application, which is iMyTracks. The truth is that the interface is quite easy to understand and use. So we start by selecting the option which is WhatsApp, which will be right here on the left side. The option to transfer is on the left side. You will have the first option, which is transfer, and then backup, and you will have restore or export, right? So if you go with the transfer, you will have the option of transfer to directly transfer from one device to another. We also have the option to backup and then restore. So however, we will use the third option. Here we will specifically use the option to import backup from Google Drive. We can directly sign in to Google Drive. It's a straightforward process. You can do this either locally or through the cloud. You need to simply enter your information. And once we have access to our account, you will see this kind of interface. You will have all of the backups with all the necessary information. So click on the backup where it says download, which will be on the right side. Wait for it to finish downloading. Once it is finished, we will have the backup right here, and you have the backup ready to go. Now we have the option to restore it to the device or export it to the computer. In this case, most important thing would be to restore it to device. It can be an Android device or an iPhone, no problem. You can just simply select it, go with restore, which will be on the bottom. After that, click on continue. And here you need to simply enter the key number of the Google Drive backup and click on next and just wait for a moment. And you will have all of the preview of all of your conversation. Once you've connected, you need to simply go with export, which will be in the bottom right. Connect your account. After connecting, go with restore, which will be in the bottom. Go with continue. After that, select WhatsApp Messenger. And that's it. Now you can follow the steps, and it tells us to deactivate Find My iPhone. So we need to do that at first. Once you do that, you can go back and your process has been finished. Your WhatsApp Messenger has been restored successfully. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.